Hello everyone, in this lecture we will be discussing question number 6 and we will see also question number 7 can be done or not. Okay, let's look. Question number 6. Lokesh and Azad are partners sharing profits in the ratio 3:2 with capitals of rupees 50,000 and 30,000 respectively. Interest on capital is agreed to be paid at the rate of 6% per annum. Okay, Azad is allowed a salary of rupees 2,500 per annum. During 2006, the profits prior to the calculation of interest on capital, but after charging Azad's salary. So, do remember the profit whichever is given 12,500, the Azad salary has already been reduced, deducted from this. Okay, we will add it back in order to find out or make our P&L appropriation. A provision of 5% of profit is to be made in respect of manager's commission. Now, also do remember manager is not a partner. So, whatever provision is being maintained for his commission will not be a part of P&L appropriation. It will be a part of P&L account. Okay. Prepare accounts showing the allocation of profits and partners capital accounts. Let's do it. Question number 6. Let's make P&L appropriation. Also, let's be ready with our capital account. Now, the fill in the blanks starts. Okay. First thing first is our profit and loss account. How much? By P&L account. Now, all of you do remember 12,500 was after reducing the salary. So, we will add back the salary of 2,500. Now, this comes to 15,000. But we have to make a 5% provision, okay, on the commission, manager's commission, that we need to reduce. Provision for manager's commission, how much? 15,000 5 upon 100, that will be how much? 15,000 into 5, 750. The answer will be 14,250. Now, if this is okay, we can go ahead. This salary, we will now give it to salary to whom? To salary to Azad. Okay, 2,500. Let's put the salary in the. Okay, the marking is still pending. Yeah. My balance brought down. How much is the capital balance? 50,000 and 30,000. By salary. So salary only to Azad of the rupees 2,500. Okay. Next thing, interest on capital. Lokesh is interest on capital at the rate of 6% was given. Yeah, 6% per annum. So his capital is 50 into 6. And Azad 30. 4,800. Let's put it in their capital account. $3,000 and 1,800. Next thing that we have is that's it, I guess. Yeah, there is no drawing or interest on. No, there is nothing. Let's balance this. This will go in P&L account. You don't have to do okay. This that's why I've changed the color. So how much is remaining? Let's see. 14,250 minus 2,500 minus 4,800. So calculate. Yeah. 6,950 is our profit. This profit will be transferred to the capital accounts. Look, 6,950. What is his profit sharing ratio? 3:2. the profits will be transferred to the capital account. Now, there is no credit item, so let's do the total. Whatever is the total is going to be the balance carried down. 53, 57, 57, 170. 32, 33, 35. 2, 33, 35. So, with this our question number 6 is done. Okay, I will just show you the entire sum again. Now, let us do question number 7. The partnership agreement between Manish and Girish provides that profits will be shared equally. Manish will be allowed a salary of 4,400 per month. Girish, who manages the sales department, will be allowed a commission of equal to 10% of the net profits after allowing Manish's salary. This commission will go in P&L appropriation. Why? This is a commission which is being given to a partner. So, this will go where? This will go in P&L appropriation account. But do remember, net profit after deducting this salary, whatever is the net profit, 10% of that. 7% interest will be allowed in partners' fixed capital. 5% interest will be charged on partners' annual drawings. The fixed capitals Manish and Girish are 1,80,000 respectively. Their annual drawings were rupees 16,000 and 14,000 respectively. Now, the annual drawings they have not yet mentioned when the amount has been withdrawn. So, 6 by 12. The net profit was amounted to 40,000. Prepare firm's P&L appropriation account. Just P&L appropriation account. Very nice. Simple. Let's do it. Okay. Now, let us check how much is the P&L balance. It is 40,000. So, let us do it. Now, partner's salary 400 per month. Now, commission. How this commission will be calculated? 40,000 minus 4,800. Whatever is remaining, 10% of debt. Okay, how much? 35,200. So 3520. To interest on capital. Capitals are 1 lakh and 80,000. So 7% of that. Now, I guess the question is, no, interest on drawings also is remaining. Manish's drawing were 16,000 and the percentage was, I guess, 5%. Yeah. Now, question arises that, look at the question first. Here 5% is written, 5% per annum is not written, be very careful. 10% is written, 10% per annum is not written. That means straight away 5% interest will be charged. Had it been 5% per annum, I would have done 6 upon 100, assuming that evenly the amount has been withdrawn, but directly just 5% is given, per annum word is not given, then straight away we will provide the interest. Okay? Be very careful in this. Okay, 6 upon 12 we will not do because per annum is not given. Again, you do not have to write this. $41,500. Let us see how much is the profit. 4, 3, 7, 12 and 7, 19, 20, okay. How much profit is being transferred to capital account? Let us check. Manish, let us see first of all what is the balance over here. because they are equal partners. So, half of that. So, this is the amount of profit that will be distributed. Okay. We have done question number 6, question number 7 in this lecture. We will proceed with question number 8 in next video. Thank you.